Hi guys, Mrs. Shy here. This is week 1, day 2 of our phonemic awareness lessons. We're going to start out with our rhyming activity today. So do these words rhyme? Thaw, paw. Yes. Lawn, quack. No. Cot, tot. Yes. Crawl, cream. No. All and eam are not the same ending sounds. What about haul, tall? Yes, they both say all at the end. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sounds. All right, for our next activity today, we're going to look at our onset fluency. So I'm going to say some words. I want you to tell me what is the first sound that you hear in that word. What's the initial sound? We call initial, it means the first sound. Awesome. Ah. Withdraw. W. Jigsaw. J. Default. D. Football. Good. Next, we're going to look at our blending phonemes. So I want you guys to blend these sounds together to make a word that I give you. Okay. Author. Author. August. August. Ball. Ball. Jaz. Jaws. False. False. Cot. Caught. Saw. Pause. Pause. Flaw. Good job. All right, next we're going to look at the middle sound in a word. So I'm going to say a word. You listen for the sound that's in the middle of the word and then say that sound. Okay, so our first one is germ. Taught. Firm. Tart. Caught. Pawn. Born. Good job. Let me turn the page here. All right, for our next skill that we're doing today, we're going to segment the phonemes. So we're going to break the word down into sounds. So counting how many sounds are in the word. So our first word is jaw. J, ah. 2. Hawk. K. 3. Vault. V, t. 4. Cause. K, z. 3. Fawn. F, 3. Crawled. K, old. 5. Purse. P, 3. Gawk. G, 3. Good job. All right, our next skill is adding final phonemes. So I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to ask you to add a sound to the end of the word and tell me what the new word is. Ta, add k. Talk. Star, add t. Start. She, add p. Sheep. Ya, add n. Yawn. Car, add v. carve. Store, add storm. Good job. All right, our next skill, we're going to be deleting the final sound. So I'm going to say a word. I'm going to ask you to take the final sound off of the word, and then you tell me what is left. It may not be a word, a real word on its own, but tell me what sounds are left in the word. So, for example, perch without the ch. What's left? Per. Here's our next one. Saucer without the sauce. Fairy without the e, fair. Handle without the hand. Pork without the k, pour. Lawn without the n, law. Place without the s, play. Pause without the z, paw. Chalk without the k, chaw. All right, good job. We are nearing the end. Let me go down a little bit here. Okay, for our next one, we are substituting the final sound in the word. So I'll say a word, and then I'll ask you to switch out the ending sounds to a different sound and make a new word out of it. All right, for example, if I was to say curb, change the b to a v. My new word is curve. I keep the beginning, I just change out the end. All right, here's our next word. Whirl, change l to d. That one doesn't make sense. Let's do the next one. I don't know why I put that one in there. Here's our next one. Hurl, change l to t. Hurt. Leave, change v to s. Lease. Yard, change d to n. Yarn. Card, change d to p. Carp. Wide, change d to z. Wise. Hide, change d to v. Hive. Peak, change k to s. Peace. Dove, change, no, wrong word. Dove, change v to dome. All right, good. That was confusing a little bit today. Okay, and then for our final, we're just going to look at those sounds that we've been going over again. AW and AU say ah, ah. AR says R. ER says IR says O says or it can say UR says All right, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow.